Hi, I'm John Ehlers. I'm VP Manufacturing Operation Manager at Bowe Machine Company in Bettendorf, Iowa. Here at Bowe Machine, it is a family-owned business. Been in business since 1956. Simon Bowe is currently running it in his third generation. We are a job shop, machine shop, which means that we do various products. So from week to week, you're going to see different things here in our facility. We do work for Permalock, John Deere, Vermeer, Vizient, and various other companies. So we bring you here today for Manufacturing Month to explain part of how manufacturing happens in a facility like Bowe Machine. I'm sure all of you have probably heard of or seen the scrap industry and how a car gets crushed at the end of its life cycle. We produce Bowe Rotor. So Bowe Rotor is the internal guts or system that pulverizes a car. So I would like to walk you through how here at Bowe Machine we start with engineering and work our way all the way through to manufacture and assemble and ship a Bowe Rotor. Bowe Machine produces various size Bowe Rotors exclusively for WENDT Corporation. Here is an entire recycling facility. Our Bowe Rotor is the heart of the shredding operation. Almost all products begin with some sort of engineering. You can be an engineer here by attending college and acquiring a degree, or through acquiring life experience that are equal and equivalent. From material purchasing, sawing, turning, milling, fabricating, and assembly, our Bowe Rotor is 100% manufactured and assembled here in Iowa. Here is a video of a main rotor shaft getting turned in one of our large CNC lathes. This lathe can turn up to 40 inches in diameter and over 20 feet long. The discs and spacers go through our vertical turning lathes for critical bores and diameters. They finish up in a mill for pockets, holes, and keyways. The discs must be heated up in order for material expansion to allow for assembly. The bore of that disc will not fit on the shaft when it's cold. So we have to heat that disc up, it expands, and then it expands enough, and we have just enough time to slide it on the shaft, and then it cools off and it sticks right to the shaft. So it's called a swedge fit. As you can see over here, we have a finished product ready to be shipped to the customer. Our largest rotors weigh up to 80 ton and cannot be hauled by a normal semi. You can see it takes a lot of wheels to haul one of our larger rotors around the world. We have up to 5 certified welders here in the facility. They are cross-trained, so as work influx changes, you'll see a welder go from a welder to a machinist back to a welder. Just depends on what our workflow is. But fabrication has probably been one of the largest growing parts of our company in the last 3 years. Our flagship machine here probably cost us over $1.4 million for the machine, and overall over $2 million to install. This machine is called a 5-face mill from Akuma. The reason why it's 5-face is that you can stick a part on the table and do all 5 sides without another setup. Our current operator of this machine, Nick Keppy, has been with us for 6 to 7 years, and in that time Nick started as a welder, enjoyed being around the machines, so he chose to take an educational path that we paid for. Nick acquired his 2-year degree from Scott Community College and is now the sole programmer, setup, and operator for our flagship Akuma 5-face mill. There are endless job opportunities in manufacturing. You do not need a college education in order to advance in manufacturing. I'm living proof. I started right out of high school at a small shop, Busey Pattern in LeClaire, Iowa. And through hard work, determination, and education, I'm now at a high-level position here at Bowe Machine. We offer a large array of job opportunities. All of these range from $25,000 to over $100,000 a year. Please feel free to connect with me for any additional questions. Once again, I am John Ehlers, and manufacturing is for me.